Cracking the NEET exam in India requires a combination of hard work, dedication, and smart preparation. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Understand the exam pattern. Familiarize yourself with the syllabus, the type of questions asked, and the weightage given to each subject. This will help you plan your study schedule effectively. Make a study plan. Divide your time efficiently among all the subjects and stick to the plan. It's also important to take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Study NCERT textbooks thoroughly. NEET is largely based on NCERT syllabus, so make sure you have a good understanding of all the concepts covered in the NCERT books. Practice regularly. Regular practice is crucial for improving your speed and accuracy. Solve previous year papers and sample papers to get a feel of the real exam. Focus on your weak areas. Identify your weak areas and give extra attention to those subjects. This will help you build confidence and improve your performance. Stay updated with current affairs. NEET also has questions from current events in the field of medicine, so make sure you stay updated with the latest news and developments. Take care of your health. A healthy mind and body are essential for performing well in the exam. Make sure you get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise regularly. Remember, success in NEET requires consistency and persistence. Stay focused, stay motivated, and stay committed to your goals. Good luck. Some other factors to consider include time management during the exam, maintaining a positive attitude, and seeking help if you are struggling with a particular subject. Additionally, staying organized and keeping track of your progress can also be beneficial. Ultimately, the key to success in any exam is to have a well-rounded preparation strategy that takes into account your strengths, weaknesses, and individual learning style. To understand the exam pattern of the NEET exam, you can follow these steps. Familiarize yourself with the syllabus. The first step in understanding the NEET exam pattern is to be aware of the syllabus. You can find the syllabus on the official NEET website or in the prospectus. Make sure you understand the topics covered and the weightage given to each subject. Review past year papers. Reviewing past year papers is a great way to get a feel of the type of questions asked in the NEET exam. This will also give you an idea of the level of difficulty of the questions and the type of questions that are more likely to be asked. Study the marking scheme. Understanding the marking scheme is important because it will give you an idea of the number of marks you can score for each question. This will also help you prioritize your studying and focus on the more valuable questions. Pay attention to the time limit. NEET is a timed exam, and it's important to be aware of the time limit for each section and the overall exam. This will help you pace yourself and make sure you have enough time to complete each section. Learn about the type of questions asked. NEET consists of multiple choice questions, MCQs, with 4 options and 1 correct answer. It's important to understand the type of questions asked and the type of reasoning required to solve them. By following these steps, you will have a better understanding of the NEET exam pattern and be able to prepare effectively. Remember, it's also important to keep yourself updated with any changes in the exam pattern by regularly checking the official NEET website.